Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your computer to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected to the same network, either via Wi-Fi direct or wireless network or with USB cable. In this case, we connected both via Wi-Fi network. This is a Wi-Fi button and it's showing us steady green light. Now, to print documents from your laptop to this printer, there are two ways to do this. The first of all, you need to go to File Explorer, then you go to wherever you save the document, double click the document to open. This is the document that we want to print out. Is 2 pages document. To print this out, you go on top and select the print icon, or you select Ctrl P from your laptop keyboard. Then you go on the left side, scroll down to select correct printer. This printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. Ready. Then you select it. You select how many copies. Use up and down arrow to select the number of copies. We want to print this one. Layout is currently portrait. If you want to print it landscape, then you select landscape. Layout is changed to landscape, but we want to print this portrait. Then pages, we want to print all. You can also select even page, odd page, or select page in range, or you select particular page you want. You can select one of one by selecting 1 to 1. You only print the page 1, or you select to print even page or odd page or all. We want to print all. And this document, we want to print on both sides. You can print on both sides. You can also print on one side. So print on both sides, long edge. Then more settings. You select paper size. The paper we have here is A4 paper. Scale, we want actual size, or you select 100%. Page per sheet, we want it 1 page per sheet. You can also select 2 page per sheet, 4 page per sheet, 6 page per sheet, 9 page per sheet, 16 page per sheet. But you want this 1 page per sheet. Then you select print. This is the document we printed out, double-sided. If you want to print it 2 page per sheet, select printer, Ctrl P, change it from print on both sides to print on one side, and also we want to select print 2 page per sheet. Then you scroll down to select 2 page per sheet, and the document now is attached in 1 page. Then you select print. This is the document we printed out, 2 page per sheet. 2 page per sheet. We printed this one, double-sided. Another way to print document is for us to use Brother iPrint app. So this is Brother iPrint app. To print document, you select print document, then add file, then you go to your laptop to select the document that you want to add. It will show you the documents available. So you can go to documents, then you check the document that you want to add, then select open file. So these are the documents, 2 pages documents. Then you select print. Then you select how many copies, and also select page from 1 to 2. Then you select OK. Now this document It's printing. This is document printed out, single page. Printed this one, double-sided. Then printed this one, 2-page sheet. So these are ways to print documents from your computer to this printer. Thank you very much indeed.